gather round her.
I was listening to John Denver records with a mate of mine way back in the day. I liked his music, and around the same time I had a girlfriend who went to country music and she took me along, and so I started singing John Denver songs, and it all kind of sprung from that. The experience being in the Harmonic Resonators is a lot of fun. It's great being with the family around, with my son and my wife, with mother and son, with Sharon and Ryan. We all help as a group to get the song right. I help technically to get harmonies right. I kind of learnt harmonies way back singing with my mother and my sister in the church groups, so it's really a family affair.
Country road, Rongo.
When we started singing the Māori songs, the reception we got to that, I didn't expect it to be such a big thing. Our first song we put up where it went viral was Tauranga Moana. It was fun watching it just go up and up on the Facebook and getting all the hits and the likes and the shares. It takes me back to my early days of when I used to sing Māori songs in primary school. I didn't know what the words meant at the time, compared to today where we are singing them, where Māori language is so much more apparent in New Zealand. It's rewarding to see the people all joining in to sing along with us as we're playing the songs. That's a real buzz.